you doing, princess? You helping me change the sheets? Our big fat pigeon's out there, always going over to the food bowl. He was just on the water. Let me see if we can see the big fat pidge out the window. Let's have a look. Can we see Pidgey? You see the Pidgey? Can you see him? Oh, he's just having some food. There's Holly. Here's Toya. There he is, look. Oh guys, stop fighting. There he is. There's a couple, there's two of them. They come every day. I've got a bird bath. So they come and sit on the bird and drink some water from the bird bath. And then they have some food. Where is he? There he is. Would you guys stop fighting? Oh, Lord. There's my Holly.